Hello, this is Sharif, or Just Nailed It. Today I am going to be doing some, what would you call them? Glitter chrome pigments, they call them, I think, on Aliexpress. It's a pack of 6, and I paid like, I don't know, $1.32 for these. They are really beautiful. I hope the lights catch them nice, but I'll show you as we go along. Like I said, there are 6 of them. I have got 6 nails prepped and ready to go. This is your basic black gel nail polish. It is by Model Ones. You can get that on modelones.com. I do have a 10% off code. It is just nailed it 10, all lowercase, and you get 10% off your purchase. So go ahead and use that by all means. I'm going to be putting these on with an eyeshadow applicator, which I got these from Princess D. She sent them to me. You can get this pack of 20 at the Dollar Tree. You can find anything at the Dollar Tree anymore. You just never know anymore. I don't know where to start on these. I'm going to go for this pigment right here. It's like I said, they are glitter, which means don't rub them in. You have to dab, dab, dab. This is a nice, beautiful color. Look at that. Look at that. Where's my single one at? There we go. They are sticky. You do need a sticky coat. If you're using regular polish, you're going to want to put a sticky base coat down. These are really, really pretty. The brush of these does not want to seem to pick them up. I know a brush will, but I don't want to use one. So we're just going to go along and dab them on the nail. Make sure you get your sides so you can get full coverage. And your tip. Don't forget your tips. This is really beautiful. It's like little diamonds in a little pot of all different colors. You got in this set you got your purple, your blue, your green, you got your mixed, which you could use at Christmas time. So I'm just going to have this all over my mat too by the time we're done. I am going to dab or push them down so they are into the sticky surface nice and good. And if you can hear, I just blew them off. That is really beautiful. Where are we? Here we go. That's really beautiful. I am going to get my fan brush. Just let me take a look. I don't know. I want to get this other brush here I got. Maybe dab some more on. See if it'll take better. So this is my practice nails. This is what I used with this brush. But I figured we were going to use the eyeshadow applicator because that's, what everybody puts them on with. But this is, like I said, a glitter pigment. Tap, tap, tap. Here's my fan brush. Gonna give this a little go here. So I don't want any loose glitters in my top coat. That is really pretty. I hope you can see that and it translates well on camera. That is beautiful. So I'm going to set that one off to the side and the back. And here we are. This is the color that we used. Next up, we are going to do our green. Oh yeah, I just have glitter everywhere. All here, all there. Never fails. So I'm gonna use the brush again. This is a smudge brush by Elf. I had to have gotten this at Target. Maybe at Walmart too. I think Walmart carries Elf. I'm not really sure about that. These are really super pretty. Hope I'm in frame here with the shadow. These are really super easy to apply. A brush does do better than the makeup or the eyeshadow applicator, whatever you want. These. This works better. So that is beautiful. Love this color too. Love, love, love. I am going to push them down into the tacky surface again. And get my fan brush. Brush off any loose glitters. And there we go. And it's still highly covered. No empty spots. Still really beautiful. Next up on our list is, let's do this one. This is one that reminds me of, well, let me see, where is it? One of these remind me of Christmas. This one here has got your reds, your greens, and your, I don't know if you would call it blue, could be purple. I'm not too sure what you want to call it. These are just, I think they're gorgeous. Use these for a night out in the town. You could use these at the holidays. Push them in again, make sure everything is nice and covered. Still gonna go over this one more time just to be sure. I always like to check my edges, make sure those are nicely covered. You really want to wipe your brush off really well too, so you're not transferring any glitter from one pot to the next. That's just your fan, not just your fan brush there, but, because you can transfer. And you really don't want that. Plus, you don't want those in your top coat. That'd be kind of nasty. I'm going to get me a drink here. I'm a little parched already. Excuse me. Next on our list will be this color here. Love it. I'm loving all these so far. Really pretty. Like I said, easy as well as you're seeing here live yourself. They're easy to apply. Super easy to apply. You just need a sticky surface, tacky, whatever you want to call it. Can't see if I'm in frame here good enough or not. I feel like I'm off to the side. Push them into your nail. You just roll your finger from side to side. That'll get you some good, coverage there. To press the glitters down into the nail. Get your fan brush again. And there we go. Really cute. Love this color. So how's everyone doing today? Hope you're all doing really well. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. I know my videos lately have been kind of long. I'm trying to keep this one in a shorter duration. Some videos just need some length though. This one don't. I'm going to leave the link for this down in the description box. Once again, I got this off of Aliexpress. This is the Christmas one. This is the one that reminds me of Christmas. Yeah, see that red, green, and gold? It just screams Christmas to me. Oh yeah, these would be great for the holidays. Totally great for holidays. Make sure you clean your brushes off really well. Glitters have a way of getting down there in those pigment or in the bristles of the brush. And you just don't want to come out. So roll your finger, press it down, whichever you want to do. Rolling works really well here, see? That is just beautiful. So beautiful for Christmas time. See that? It's just gorgeous. So we are on our last and final nail. I'm going to top coat these off film. So you don't need to watch me do all that. I'm going to be using a Model 1 Snow White top coat with the wooden cap. I will show that to you in just a second though. At least extend you that courtesy. Oh, this is just gorgeous. This is my favorite. This is my, yep, this is it. Purple's my favorite. This is like a purple and black pigment or a glitter mix. Oh yeah, let's dump it all over. That wasn't good. Just spilt it. So there's my oopsie for today. Whoopsie. Oh yeah, this is just beautiful. Beautiful, look at that. I love the purple. Oh yeah. This is going to be the one for me. Roll your finger over it, tap it in, make sure it's got in there good in your sticky surface. Use your fan brush. And there's our last and final nail. Close this up and I'll show you them all together again. So I can get the lid on this one right. Here are our 6 nails. Trying to get them in the light so they're just showing off for you. They are beautiful. Here is the Model 1 Snow White top coat that I'm going to be using with the wooden cap. You can get this off the website. I don't know if you need to see the bottom or not. So I'll show you that. So I'm going to pause at top coat and we will be right back. Okay, we're back. I'm sorry for the bobble and messing with the camera. I couldn't tell, but we have top coated with Model 1s. These are our 6 colors. They turned out exceptionally well. Look at that purple here on the end. That is my favorite. I'm a purple girl. Purple and black technically are my favorite colors, so that's just gorgeous. All of them are. I mean, they're all beautiful. So again, this came off of the 6 colors off of Aliexpress, these little pods. 6 of them for $1.32. I will leave a link in the description box, as well as my discount codes for different websites that I have. So always check that out for information. Just because I didn't mention it doesn't mean it's not there. On Instagram, I am nailed@67, so check out all my photos of my work there. And please leave me a comment down below. And as always, please subscribe, ring that bell. That way you're notified of all future videos. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.